Whoa,
Indiana
they
issued a
really get
severe
up on that
thunderstorm
one.
warning for north central St. Joseph County, Indiana,
That
southwestern
cloud's
Cass
pretty
County in
wild too.
southwestern Michigan,
Wow.
southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 4:45 p.m.
I don't
Eastern
think I've
Daylight
ever
Time.
seen it flood
At
out towards the
4:23
middle of
p.m.
the
Eastern
yard.
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Roseland or near Georgetown, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
That one
per
over
hour
there is
with
pretty
gusts and
wicked too.
quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Niles,
That's that
New
one.
Canyon, Georgetown, Granger, Roseland, Bertrand, Indian Village, Barron Lake, and Chino Lakes. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 70 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: St. Joseph, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass.